her goal is not in her.
Hello my dear students. Today we are going to have some fun with a new letter. We have already learned letter A to F. So next letter is, yes, letter G. So today we are going to learn which letter? Letter G. So let's go for it. This is letter G. This is capital G, means uppercase G, and this is small letter g, means lowercase g. So which letter is this? Letter G. And the G sound is G, G, G. Yes, so we are learning which letter? Letter G. We are learning letter G, letter G, letter G. We are learning letter G. G says G, G, G. We are learning letter G, letter G, letter G. We are learning letter G. G is for girl, G, G, girl. We are learning letter G, letter G, letter G. We are learning letter G. G is for grapes, G, G, grapes. We are learning letter G, letter G, letter G. We are learning letter G. G is for goat, G, G, goat. We are learning letter G, letter G, letter G. We are learning letter G. G is for gorilla, G, G, gorilla. Yes. So children, in this rhyme, we have learnt about different objects that begin with letter G. G is for girl, G, G, girl. Some of you are girls. So those who are girl, so please repeat after me. I am a girl. Yes. So G for girl. G, G, girl. Now the next object, G for grapes. G, G, grapes. Grapes is a very juicy, fleshy fruit, and it is small in size, and it can be different colors like green and dark purple color. So this is a grapes, and G for grapes, G, G, grapes. Now the next object, G is for goat, G, G, goat. Goat is a domestic animal. Goat loves to eat grass and leaves. And the young one of goat is called kid. The next object is a big, large mammal animal. What is that? G is for gorilla. G, G, gorilla. Yes, gorilla is a large mammal animal. Have you ever seen a gorilla? I have seen a gorilla at the zoo. So G is for girl, G, G, girl. G is for goat, G, G, goat. G is for grapes, G, G, grapes. G is for gorilla, G, G, gorilla. Children, you may find many more objects that begin with letter G, like G is for gun, G is for gate, G is for guitar, etc. Now it's time to write letter G. So everyone look at the board. This is top red line. So we have to start from top red line. Start, make a C like this, then touch the bottom blue line, then go up, then draw a sleeping line, then a standing line like this. Once again, make a C like this, then go up, then make a sleeping line, then a standing line. So this is how we write letter G. If you write letter G in this way, this is the wrong formation. So this is the letter G and this is correct way to write letter G. And be very careful. We have to write letter G from top red line to bottom blue line. We should not touch the bottom red line because we all know very well the bottom red line is a danger line. So we have to write within these three lines. Top red line, then middle blue line, then the bottom blue lines. Right? And this is the wrong formation of letter G. We have to write letter G in this way. Sleeping line, then a standing line. Then stop over here. There are some objects and pictures that begin with letter G. G is for girl, G is for grapes, G is for goat, and G is for gorilla. So children, let's explore the letter G. But how? You make any story with the help of these words. In this way, your vocabulary skill, your imagination power, your creativity skill will be developed. Like, she is Guinea. Guinea is a very beautiful girl. She loved to eat juicy grapes. She had a pet goat named Gogo. Gogo loved to eat green grass and leaves. One day, Guinea took the Gogo to the forest to feed him grass. There, they saw a big gorilla and they were scared to see the gorilla. But the gorilla was not harmful. He wanted to be their friends and they became friends. Yes, so children, how was it? In this way, you can also make any types of story with the help of these words. So children, I hope you had a great time with ma'am, right? Enjoyed it? So keep practicing and keep learning. See you again in the next class. Till then, take care and stay tuned. Bye-bye.